Now, what if your iPhone name changed on its own, which can be kind of annoying or at least confusing, but here's what you need to know about it. First of all, there are two names of the phone and like yourself. If you go to the settings app of your iPhone, then the general section and the about, at the top of the list, you have the name of your specific device. This is visible when you're using the Find My network or sharing internet through personal hotspot or when you are using AirDrop, right? This is when this name is visible. Outside of that, you also have your personal name at the top of your main settings app, and you can tap on it, of course, click on personal information, and change or adjust your name, first name, last name, whatever, and you will be able to change it. If you notice that, I'm mentioning it because these two can be like interchangeable. Sometimes the name of the device shows, sometimes the name of you as a person owning it. So it might be kind of confusing, but if you notice that it changed on its own for some reason, it might be because of a glitch in the software. So I usually recommend people to just update to the latest version of iOS. And it should stay the same. If there was like any bug, it should most definitely get resolved. One last tip which I have for you is to ensure that if you have multiple devices on your Apple network, like being on the same Apple ID, well, you should also ensure that all of those iPhones have different like names, because it might be kind of confusing and perhaps the phone might even adjust it slightly to differentiate between them. So this is just a little tip from me. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.